A bloodbath as far as the markets are concerned. The Nifty has fallen over 1% today, closing below the 22,000 levels. Top losers include L&T and Asian Paints. The broader indices too declined in trade for the day, seeing far deeper cuts than the benchmark. Now, almost all the sectors ended in the red today, with energy and metals dragging the most. In fact, autos were the only sector in the green today. And my colleague Ansh Pilwar is joining us with a roundup of today's trading session. So Ansh, Nifty slipping below the 22,000 mark as election anxiety grips investors.
So market gave a strong sell-off today. We had mentioned this in the previous session as well as today morning as well, that market is below its critical level and it needs to recover above that to gain positivity in the market. But let's talk about Nifty first. Nifty actually tried going on upside during the market open but faced strong resistance around that 50 DMA level and fell by over 300 points to break that 22,000 psychological mark. However, it closed around that 100 DMA, so we may see some support around this level. Nifty was mainly dragged by L&T and HDFC Bank, where L&T is down around 15% from April month high, but 3,200 to 3,270 is the level which could provide some support to the stock. Whereas if we talk about HDFC Bank, that gave a breakdown from its crucial 1480 level, and it also slipped below 50 DMA, which is negative for both Nifty and Nifty Bank. Talking of Nifty Bank, the index actually declined for 7th consecutive session, declining below its 50 DMA level. Let's also talk about other broad indices, and we are seeing that both mid-cap and small-cap registered biggest single session decline in over a month, where mid-cap slipped below 20 DMA, mainly dragged by Piramal Enterprises and NMDC, whereas small-cap was down over 2%, mainly dragged by Manappuram Finance and Aarti Industry. Now, if we talk about sectoral indices, the Nifty Auto was the only sectoral index which was in green. It advanced for 2nd consecutive session, and it was mainly led by TVS Motors and Hero MotoCorp. Whereas if we talk about sectoral loser, here we are saying that Nifty Metal was the top sectoral loser, which was down by around 3%, and this was mainly dragged by NMDC and Steel Authority. Whereas Nifty FMCG snapped 3-session gaining streak, Nifty Realty slipped below 20 DMA, Nifty Pharma also closed in red, touching 2-week low level. So overall, it was a bearish market going away from its critical supports.
All right, thanks Ansh for getting us all of those highlights. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.